Hello YouTube, today I've got the brand new CreoPop 3D printing pen with me and I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Stay tuned to watch. Okay, so first off, here we have the CreoPop 3D printing pen. And on the side, it has some frequently asked questions. At the back, it has some more detail. So it comes with a CreoPop 3D pen, 3 cartridges in different colors, USB cord, quick start guide, instruction manual, and designed by CreoPop in Singapore, assembled in China. You got some more info at the back. Breakthrough technology, cool to the touch. It's actually the first 3D pen to have cool ink tech. See? Cool ink. It's the first 3D pen to have cool ink. It doesn't have that plastic melting technology. So it's good for all ages. So you have this good packaging, you open it like that. Got a plastic cover here and some pictures that show you examples of what people do with this thing. You can see that there. It's pretty cool. Okay. Inside. Let's open this up and I'm gonna be okay. Here it is. Whoa. So cool packaging. It's this soft material inside. Feels luxurious. Okay. It has a pretty decent feeling grip. You know, solid materials used. It's steel with plastic at the back. And oh, I think this is oh, okay. So that's where you insert the ink in there. Let's close it. There, close. Pretty simple. Just open it like that. Put it back in. So this is it, and then this is the box of cartridges. You got cyan, yellow, and red. Whoa, I love the packaging of these stuff. Nice. Oh, and then there's another one as well. Okay. Got it. When this thing moves. Oh. Okay. We got accessories. Flap here. I don't know why everything's in pink. So you got the micro USB cable. Why is everything pink, man? Instruction manual, 3D pen quick start guide. Oh, and yeah, this is needed. It's the drawing mat, but this is in purplish pink as well. Why, CreoPop? Why? Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's all you get with the CreoPop 3D pen. It's pretty cool. You get the drawing pad, and you also get ink cartridges, 3 of them. And these things work for like 12 feet. They can print 12 feet for each color. So that's really cool. And you've got the CreoPop. Comment if you want to see a test of the CreoPop and test drawing or so, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Goodbye.